Hi, friends. I can't believe I'm saying this, but happy last week of school. Happy last week of your sophomore year. Um, I can't believe that it's gone by. I didn't, for a while, know how this was going to end up, but congratulations on finishing off the year and making it through. I know this hasn't been easy, but I hope that the summer is good for you and good for the world, and I hope that next year school can start off normal and things will go back to kind of like they were, hopefully better than they were. I can't wait to just be back at school. I miss my classroom. I miss all of you guys. I just want things to be back, to normal again. But, good job taking things as they come and dealing with this. It has not been easy for anybody, but we made it. We're done with this year. I can't believe it, but we're done with this year after this week. So take some deep breaths. Everything's going to be fine. Stay positive. Um, Basically, this week your job is to take the final test on the Great Gatsby. So on Monday, that's the review day. There is a review Kahoot on Schoology that you can use if you want to study. On the test, you're able to use your study guide. So make sure you have turned your study guide in. And then I'm going to do a live Google Meet for Kahoot for all my 10th grade classes. This is optional, and it'll be at 11 o'clock on Monday. So if you want to participate in a live Kahoot with all of your classmates and between my three 10th grade classes, come into my Google Meet. I'll post the link later for 11 o'clock live Kahoot. And then Tuesday will be the final test. You'll have until, from 9 a.m. until 10 p.m. to take the test on Tuesday. So if for some reason that doesn't work for you, you can contact me individually and we'll work something out. But I really need you to make sure that you take the test sometime between those times on Tuesday. So don't forget about it. That's the last thing for this class. I believe the test is going to be 60 points, and then we'll be done after that. If you have anything else that you want to turn in, you can turn it in till Thursday, which is the last day of school. So if you have missing work, turn in missing work. If there's anything that you need to get done, you have 2 extra days there. These 2 days is usually when we would be watching the Great Gatsby movie together as a class. So I really miss that. It was always fun to finish the test and then get those movie days and say goodbye to each other on those last days. But what do you do? We just got to deal with it. Oh, and there's my cute little puppy down there at the bottom. She's so cute. I hope you guys have a really, really great summer. Enjoy the weather. Do some fun things outside. Pick up some new hobbies. Do some fun stuff because next year, who knows what's going to happen. So really enjoy this summer. And hopefully I'll get to see you guys soon. Hopefully I'll get you all in my junior classes. And I'll miss you a lot. So if you ever want to reach out, I still check my email in the summer. If there's ever anything you want to say or need or whatever, I'll be happy to hear from you. So good luck on your final test. Good luck with all the rest of your classes. And as always, let me know what you need. I miss you. I love you. Talk to you soon.